This is a rotary steam engine. It is one of the simplest out there, and it has no valves or moving parts, yet it still works. To make one of these, you will need a beverage can, and you will cut it in half. And then I press down the edges so they would not be sharp. There is a candle inside of there, and that is 1/4 inch copper tubing coiled. There is water inside of the coil. The candle heats the water inside enough to boil the water, so it begins spinning. This is because when the water boils, the steam expands, and this, in turn, pushes the water out of the tubes, causing it to spin. As the steam expands, it encounters a section of tubing that used to be full of water. This tubing is cooler than the steam, and it causes the steam to convert back into water. This causes a vacuum to form, which pulls more water back into the tubes. And that is why it suddenly lurches and then it stops. Because when it stops, it is heating up the water again, enough to cause it to boil, convert to steam, and then propel itself. And the reason it spins and that it doesn't go in one direction is because the tubes are pointed in opposite directions. And because they're not directly in line, they do not cancel each other out. And that is how a rotary steam engine works.